Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a sheep character in Adobe Illustrator. Before we begin, I want to thank everyone who supports me on YouTube and Patreon. If you'd like to support my work as well, you can do so using the links in the description. I know I've been posting videos a bit less frequently lately, but I'm working to get back on track and publish new content more regularly. I truly hope these videos are still helpful for you. I've also started a brand new series as part of my return to creating content for the channel. In the upcoming days, I'll be sharing tutorial videos showing how I draw other animals in the same style as this one. Your support is really important to help me continue this series and keep creating. You can support me by subscribing to any monthly tier on YouTube or Patreon, or by purchasing any vector pack from my online stores. Just follow the links in the description. You'll also find a link in the video description to purchase the project files for this sheep vector. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, leave a like, and drop a comment. Enjoy the video. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version or need help turning it into a YouTube description as well.